Okay, so you're going to make sure that both knees are bent, feet are flat onto the bed, knees not touching, just slightly shoulder width apart. And you're going to do 10 crunches followed by 10 hip lifts and then 10 crunches again. Okay, you ready? Okay, let's go. Crunch up. 1. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Okay, you're going to do your 10 hip lifts. So same position, lifting, squeeze the bum, lift as high as you can go, lift, lift, lift. Okay, good, and slowly lower yourself down. That's 1 and up. 2,
This
good.
is the one that I always wander off and forget how many I've done.
Yeah. 3, good, down. 4, good. Up, 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 up. 5, down. 6, good. 7, good. 8, good. 9, and on your last one I want you to hold it there, so you're going to go down, that's 9, this will be 10, you're going to lift, and you're just going to hold it, don't drop down, you're going to hold it for 45 seconds. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it.
Oof.
Keep going.
Oof. Oof.
Good. Now it must burn.
Oh, it burns. Can I go down?
No, just hold it there. Come on, you can do it. This is muscular endurance.
Oof.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Well done.
Oh.